Hi all. So today we are going to install MySQL. So how to install MySQL? Open Google first and so type MySQL download. Okay. So then going to second one, MySQL downloads. So open this and drag down. So down. Okay. So here MySQL community GPL downloads. Okay, you can download this. So click that link and it will open like this. It is appearing like this. Now you can, one minute. Yeah. Now you can go down. So see, my laptop I'm using Windows. So if you are using any of other OSs, so you can click that. Okay. So for my, I am using Windows. So that's why I'm clicking this one. So MySQL Windows. Okay. So once you click that, so there is a second option we have Windows x86 32-bit. Okay. So you can click the second option from now. So it is showing like this. So no need to log in and sign up. So you just click on the no thanks, just start my download. So now it is going to download. So it is taking a few minutes to download. So wait. Okay. Then okay. Download successfully. Is downloading successfully. So going to your downloads where the downloads is there. So downloads. So click this. So here double click. So it is showing to yes. Okay. Click X and next. Okay. Click S. Okay. Next. Okay. So here choose a setup type. So custom. You can click custom here. Then click next. So here we have three options, right? So first option, expand the first option and again expand and again expand and drag to the right side. So you can simply click the right one, click that and right. So application. So within the application, we have MySQL workbench. You can same do process. So right side and MySQL shell. So you can same add to right side. So that's it. So these three is enough. No need to MySQL router and documentation. So these three is enough. So next, click next and execute. So execution will take a few minutes. We'll wait until the execution done. Okay, installation, installing MySQL workbench. Okay, done. Okay, 99%. Next, okay, MySQL shell is down. Okay, okay, okay. For okay, 70 completed. So then you can click next. Okay, okay. So pin, okay. Just enter. Okay, next. So here it is asking you the code. Okay. So I am setting my password. Then click next. Okay. Standard system account. Okay. So next. So configuration. This configuration, we just click all. So these are not clicked. These will be executing. So executing. So that we'll wait for executing. It will be finished. So starting the server, finish. Okay. So then next, so no need to copy the logs. So this is your shell, MySQL shell. So it is asking you to open. Then successfully installed. This is okay. So go back to here. So just a bit MySQL workbench. Open MySQL workbench, and here you can just simply click here. It is asking your password. So before you set it right, so then enter the same password here. Okay. See, it is open to you. See, it is opening. So like this, we can download the whatever the MySQL. Okay, and I can simply write some select show databases I'm using. So let me execute this. See, we have these many databases actually. See here. Hmm. So these many databases are there. That's it. So okay, thank you. Bye bye.